fact, CM has called us for the national game discussion. We met the sports minister and chief secretary also yesterday, and the state government has told us some problems are there, like election is there in the period which we have decided for the national games. So we discuss all the possibilities because there will be exam also during that period. There will be volunteers problem also, and election will be there. So we have decided that it will be postponed for some period. Infrastructure is not a big problem because two stadiums they are currently going on, and I think it will be completed by February and or March second week. So that's not a big problem.
What about the fine? The fine has been relaxed, or the state government has to give
That
the fine?
the president and secretary is going to decide. The house is going to decide. But right now I cannot say about that because it is the decision between Indian Olympic Association and the state government. We will have to rechange because two times we have already changed. Last year also the dates were there, November, then we changed to the April, March, April, and now again we will have to consider to postpone that. Definitely.
Are you looking at any other states in the meanwhile if September is getting too late?
No.
No way.
No, we are not.
36 national games is in Goa.